Schwinn 270 Recumbent bike review in 2018. Product details. Dimensions, 64 by 27 by 50 inches. Shipping weight, 132 pounds. 29 programs and 4 user settings. Connect goal tracking to export data. Features of this product. Dual track 2 LCD window system to monitor up to 13 different feedbacks. 25 levels of resistance aligned with a high-speed high inertia. It has designed for almost all kinds of fitness needs. This bike also allows you to track your activities. To get more details, visit now, workoutgadget.com. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.